Guys, welcome to No Brush Painting, kung saan ay magpipaint tayo ng hindi gagamit ng paintbrush. Would you believe it? Of course! For this video, ang gagamitin natin ay old cards like credit card, debit card, etc. In particular, ang gagamitin ko ay aking lumang ATM card at kung mapapansin nyo, marami na itong nakadikit na pintura. Yes dear, marami na dahil paborito ko to sa aking mga pagpipaint. Ang isang advantage nito ay nagkakaroon ng depth o lalim ang painting dahil sa bawat scratches or scraping ay lumalabas sa mga naunang kulay na ginamit natin sa canvas. Ang tawag dito ay layering. Napapalabas ng scraping ng card ang mga naunang layers ng color sa canvas kaya nagkakaroon to ng depth o lalim. Okay, start na po tayo. Pero bago natin po simulan ang ating pagpipinta, kailangan muna natin lagyan ng gesso ang ating canvas. Ang gesso po, nilalagay ito para hindi po tumago sa ilalim ng canvas yung ating mga pintura. Pero this time, ang gagamitin ko lang ay ating homemade gesso using white glue, water, cornstarch, tsaka pinturang puti. Bali, 1 part white glue, 2 parts water, 2 parts cornstarch and tsaka 1/2 part na white paint. Mix lang po natin to, then apply sa canvas. This time, ang gagamitin ko pa rin po sa pag-apply nito sa canvas ay ang ating old card. Maganda rin po to kasi makikita natin na pantay lahat. Okay. Now, let's start. Since maliit lang itong canvas na gagamitin ko for our demo, i-secure muna natin to gamit ang ating painter's tape or pwede na rin ang masking tape. Then, let's start with our base. Gagamit tayo ng green, black, blue, and pink in that order. I-scrape lang natin ang bawat color to the canvas. Then, yun, mag-create tayo ng base o foundation ng ating painting. Scrape lang hanggang sa makabuo tayo ng gusto nating i-paint. In this instance, gumagawa ako ng base para sa aking iniisip na pond with floating grasses, lotus, and other things na natatagpuan sa tubig, but in abstract form.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
Ito na po ang ating finished product. Maliit lang siya but I made a bigger version na pareho din po nito and I binigyan ko siya ng title na Quiet Horizon. Ito pa po ang ating mga nagawang abstract paintings gamit ang ating old ATM card. Oh, di ba pwede? Ano pa hinihintay mo? Mag-paint ka na rin. Be creative. Hanggang sa muli, ito po si Violina Ron and let's be creative. Paint with no brush.